If you want to change the aspect ratio in Photoshop, there are two easy ways to do it depending on what you need. In this video, I'll show you how to crop an image to a specific aspect ratio and how to change your canvas size manually without scaling your layers. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Photoshop tips. Let's jump right in. First, let's look at the simplest method, cropping to a specific aspect ratio. This is the best option if you want to turn your image into a standard format like a square for Instagram, a widescreen 16:9 layout for YouTube, or a 4:5 portrait for social media posts. To start, select the crop tool from the left toolbar or just press C on your keyboard. Once the crop tool is active, look up at the options bar at the very top of Photoshop. You'll see a drop-down menu that usually says Ratio by default. Click that drop-down and choose a preset aspect ratio from the list, such as 1:1 for a square, or 16:9 for widescreen. If you need something custom, you can also type your own width and height values directly into the boxes next to the drop-down. As soon as you choose the ratio, Photoshop will place a crop boundary over your image that matches that exact shape. From here, you can drag the corners of the crop box to resize it, or click and drag inside the box to reposition your image so the subject is framed the way you want. This is really useful when you want to keep the most important part of the photo centered while still fitting a specific layout. Once everything looks right, click the check mark at the top, or press enter on your keyboard to apply the crop. Your image will now be converted to that aspect ratio. Now let's move on to the second method, changing the canvas size manually. This is the better option if you are creating a design, poster, template, or layout, and you want to adjust the overall workspace without changing the size of the actual image layers. To do this, go up to the top menu bar and click Image, then choose Canvas Size. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+Alt+C on Windows or Command+Option+C on Mac. In the canvas size window, you'll see options for width and height. If needed, change the measurement drop down to % or pixels, depending on how you want to work. Make sure the relative box is unchecked because you want to set exact dimensions rather than add or subtract from the current size. Now type in the new width and height values that match the aspect ratio you need. For example, if you want a 16:9 canvas, you could change the dimensions from 100 by 100 to 160 by 90. That creates the correct proportion for your new workspace. When you click OK, Photoshop will update the canvas size, but your layers will stay at their original size. They'll remain centered inside the new canvas, which makes this method perfect for layout adjustments where you do not want to crop or stretch the actual image content. If you need the image to stay untouched while changing the surrounding space, this is the method to use. So, to quickly recap, use the crop tool when you want to cut your image into a specific shape and use canvas size when you want to change the overall proportions of the document without resizing your layers. Both methods are useful, and once you understand the difference, you'll have a lot more control over your Photoshop projects. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new Photoshop tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.